All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and well, this is a PSA. Don't buy this tool. All right, so Eric came to me today knowing I'm filming, and he goes, you need to shoot a video on this. Don't buy it. Tell people don't buy it. It sucks. And it is a Milton air chuck. Why? Well, it's not accurate. You know, sometimes you go to check pressures and it takes a minute for it to tell you what the pressure is. You know, you push the lever, you got to put air in it. It doesn't update. You have to take it off and put it back on. And well, that's kind of annoying for an air chuck. A relatively expensive air chuck too. You expect better from Milton. You really do. It was one of those out of the blue things that he came up and said to me, you know, you need to talk about how this tool sucks and people don't buy it. When Eric, who, you know, you've seen his roll cart, takes offense to a tool that he has, he's the king of Amazon, you know, tools. And when he says it sucks, he means it. Do not buy this tool. If you're gonna buy an air chuck, buy the Astro pneumatics. Way better. I use one that's branded Matco because, well, I can throw it at the Matco guy when it breaks. The whole reason I bought it was really because it was orange and my other one broke. But definitely don't buy this. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.